In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade gold on Vantage markets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then you will be forwarded to the client portal. And from here, I want you to click the account section. In the account section, you can choose from a live account, demo account. It's up to you. But for now, I'm going to choose the live account. I have 3 accounts that I can use here. For example, I'm going to be using this one. All I have to do is click the trade section right here. If you do, you will be forwarded to the Vantage market trading platform. And then for us to be able to trade gold, in the left side area of the dashboard, this is going to be the market watch. And on the search instrument, I want you to hover down below here. You have the watch list, Forex, crypto, and go to the metals. You would see that there is a gold versus US dollar, or which is going to be the XAU USD. If you can't find it, just type in on the instrument, for example, XAUSD, and press enter. Okay, right click so that it would be shown. Now it's on the chart panel. Gold is traded as XAU USD. So on the right side, you have the option to sell it or to buy it. Basically, you click the sell button if you expect gold price to go down. You click the buy by market if you expect gold price to go up. Okay, remember that gold is very volatile, meaning it moves so fast. So proper risk management is very important. Now from here, all I have to do is click the buy button. I want you to click the buy button. You can put in a specific volume if you want. You can choose your lot size. If you don't want to use the USD currency, it's up to you. Also, you have the option to add a stop loss or take profit. We have a separate video on how to use the stop loss that you might want to check in our channel. Once you are sure about it, click the buy button to confirm and your gold trade is now open. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you trade gold on Vantage markets. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.